How to add only me cover photo on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can add only me photo on Facebook. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to add the only me cover photo, these are the process you may follow. Directly head over to a profile just by clicking on a profile picture, and then you will be taken to a profile here. So in order to add a cover photo, we just normally click on this cover photo section with the camera, and when you click on it, you can find the upload photo section. So what you're going to do is directly you need to select two pictures. We don't have direct option where you can, if we upload a cover photo, we can't change the audience of it. So in order to change the audience, we need to post two pictures. So what you can do instead is just select a picture which you want to show to the other people. Like you may just post a simple one which you want to show to people, and post something, and another is post a cover photo that you don't want to show to people. So let's say this is the picture I want to show to people. I'm just gonna click on save, and so let's say this is the picture that I just upload, which is being uploaded. This is the picture I don't want to show to other people. So I want this picture to be only me. So what I'm going to do is when you click on it, we can't have direct option of editing the privacy for this one. So what we're going to do is simply click on this photo icon again, the camera icon, and we're going to upload another photo above it. So you may just simply go ahead and choose another photo. After that, click on save, and after that is done, wait for the upload to be completed first. And after that is done, you can find this profile picture. So what you're going to do is simply click on your cover photo, and you can find the option called see cover photo. You're just going to see that cover photo. After that, switch to the previous one which you don't want to show to other people. So you may just click on the three dot upper side at the upper corner, and then you can find the edit privacy option. Just click on it, and after clicking on it, you can find the only me section. Just go ahead and click on only me. After that, click on save, and that particular photo will be only on your only me, which means other people can't view the photo. And then after that is done, you may just go ahead and delete the previous one if you want, and that should basically do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.